Hold on a second, John. I'll get back to you in a moment. I want to bring in Congressman Diane Black. Congressman, I have to ask you about this 21%. Can you confirm that that is the number that we're looking at as the top rate of tax on corporations, 21%?
Yeah, I can confirm that that is the discussion at the moment, and until we sign on the dotted line, I want you to know that that is the number for the moment.
Well, that's okay. That's a revelation, Diane. That is a revelation. Let's go further. How about the 37% top tax rate on individuals? We are reporting that it's 37, not 39.6 where it is now. Comment, please.
Yeah, Stuart, we want to be really careful that, again, we have not completed our negotiations, and so that is the number that we're talking about for the moment.
You let it slip, Diane. I mean, that's really good stuff. I mean, you just made news for us. That's really cool. I think that market's going to go up. So, okay, that's what you're talking about. I got it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because you know, Stuart, as we negotiate, as we find out what the Byrd rule will allow us or not allow us to do, there are dials that have to be turned, and so it's all on the table, and we want to be sure that we don't put something out there that people are going to count on, and then at the end of the day, it's going to be different than what was said today.
In very general terms, Diane, you're taking a little bit away from big corporations and giving a little bit more to high-income earners who may live in high-tax states. That's the deal here, really, isn't it?
Well, we want to be sure that we can treat everybody equitably, and at the end of the day, we can say everybody, regardless of what tax bracket they're in, is going to receive relief. But I want to be sure I say but. Our main focus has been right there in the middle income earners. And so I'm fighting for the folks in Tennessee where we're looking at an $1,800 additional wage increase. And we just really want to be sure that the middle income earner is who we focus on.
I just have to refer briefly to Roy Moore and his loss in Alabama. That means the Republicans have a razor-thin margin in the Senate, 51 to 49. Overall, I think this makes your job and re-election next year for the House members, I think that makes it a bit more difficult and therefore puts more pressure on your legislative agenda for next year. Would you agree with me?
Well, what it does do is I think, puts more pressure on us right now to do the right thing, and that is to get the economy moving, because if people see that we have been successful in being able to put more money in their pocket and to see an increase in jobs, about 18,000 jobs in Tennessee will be created, and if they see all of this, they'll feel much better about what Congress is doing. Otherwise, if we're not successful here, I think that people will just question, why are we sending people to Washington if we don't see a benefit in our lives? And so this is so important that we get our job done. We have promised the American people that we would do this, and we need to get it done. The markets are already responding to what we're doing here.
Yeah. Diane, I really have to thank you very much indeed. You have confirmed that you are talking about 21% and 37%.
And we're talking about 20%, and we're talking about 39%.
No, don't go back on it. Don't go back on it now, Diane, please. It was a pleasure having you on the show for the entire past year. Hope you can join us again next year. Thank you, Diane.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Merry Christmas. Okay.